Welcome back. In this second of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll finish the process of configuring a Catalyst 1200 or 1300 switch to use radius authentication with a Duo proxy. Next. Before you start configurations on your switch, make sure to update the firmware to the latest version available. Once that's set, log into the web user interface. Change the view from basic to advanced mode. Navigate to the security menu and click on Radius Client. Set the retries to 3. Change the timeout for reply to 30 seconds and click Apply. Scroll down and click the plus button under the Radius table to add the Radius server information. Enter the server IP address. Set the priority to 1. Set the key string to match Duo. Scroll down and set the authentication port to match Duo. Click Apply. Go to the Management Access Authentication menu and change the application to HTTPS from the drop-down menu. Select Radius as the first authentication method, followed by Local as the second, and click Apply. The Radius server settings should be set. I'll do some verifications to make sure everything was set up correctly. Using RDP, I'm able to access my Radius server. Free Radius is already running. By using the local auth proxy CTL start command, you can see that the Duo auth proxy server has started. Next, I'll check the status. It shows that it's running. The current directory is the default setup of opt duo auth proxy bin. Next, I'll run a TCP dump to check any statements that are issued on port 1840. Everything looks good there. I'll move back to the switch and click the red blinking save icon at the top of the screen to save those configurations. Now that the Radius client has been enabled and the management access authentication has been set up, log out. Then, log back in with a username that has been set up on the Radius server. If everything goes according to plan, a Duo push will be received. Yes, did you hear that? I received a push on my phone. Approve the Duo push notification. As you can see, on Free Radius, the Accept ID 225 was sent. On the TCP dump portion, the approval push has been sent back. In the Duo admin portal, under Applications and then Protect an Application, you can see confirmation that the Unix application was used for this setup. The integration key, secret key, and API hostname are held here. You can copy and then paste it into the authproxy.cpg file for Duo. Under the Users menu, an admin user account was created. When you click on the account and scroll down, you can view the recent authentication attempts, as well as the location to add a phone. This will be needed to send the Duo push to your phone. There you have it. You've successfully configured a Catalyst 1200 or 1300 switch with Radius and Duo for a robust two-factor authentication setup. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.